I am going to show you chikan embroidery. It is called chikankari. This is a embroidery style of Uttar Pradesh in India. It is also called Lucknowi chikankari because the chikankari work is the dress materials and saris made of chikankari are found mostly in Lucknow. The material used is any transparent material. It could be organdy, organza or georgette or any transparent material, because the embroidery which we make is like shadow work. We work on the outlines, and on the back side the center part gets filled. So the shadow effect gives the transparent material gives a shadow effect. Now I will show you how to work the chikankari embroidery. We are just going to make back stitches. From this corner point we take a stitch a little away from the corner point, come back to the corner point, take a stitch on the other side, come back to the same point. On the right side we do a back stitch, on the left side we do a back stitch. On the right side we make a back stitch, on the left side a back stitch. One stitch on the right, one stitch on the left. One stitch on the right, one stitch on the left. We are just making back stitch on either side of the motif of the pattern. A stitch in the right, a stitch on the left, a stitch on the right, a stitch on the left. Generally chikankari is worked with pastel shades. I am just showing you with a darker shade just to show you the shadow work, just to highlight the shadow work. Right now if you can see we have just made the outline with back stitches. You can see the zigzag at the just behind at the back side of the material, because it is a transparent material. You can see the zigzag stitches behind the material. You can see this portion is darker than this portion. Same way, this is the corner point, the end point. Just take a stitch a little away from that. One stitch on the right, one stitch on the left. We just make back stitches on either side of the pattern. a back stitch, and here a back stitch, here a back stitch, here a back stitch. In this corner, take a stitch just a little away from the corner point, a back stitch, back stitch, back stitch on either side. Back stitch on the right, back stitch on the left, back stitch on the right, back stitch on the left. This chikanकारी work is done with multicolor thread. The single thread has many shades. You can see the shadow that is on the back side. The cross comes on the back side. It is done with double back stitch. You can see the shades inside the embroidery.